happy holidays to all of you. I hope you had the most wonderful, magical Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, or if you celebrate the holidays, that it was amazing. For me, it was lovely, just lovely. I was able to spend the day with my entire family. In fact, Mia, my oldest daughter, for those who you follow me for a long time, she turned 18th. Yes. And actually, her birthday is December 24th. So we ended up going to Universal Studios. We had a ton of fun. And we actually went pretty much with the entire family. So it was fantastic. We just had the greatest time. And then the next day, we celebrated Christmas. I did a big dinner. I think I post a few things here and there on my Instagram account too. So if you follow me there, then you kind of know how it went. But anyhow, friends, it has become a little bit of a tradition here to my channel to share what I have got for Christmas. So let me just share it with you. First things first is going to be the fragrance of the day. I'm super excited. But I received from my husband Louis Vuitton fragrance. And it's one that I had been eyeing for a long time. A while. I'm just so happy. Perhaps by the notes, you may know which ones I'm talking about. One of my favorite flowers are peonies, and one of my favorite scents is lychee. Can you guess which one it is? Let me show you the presentation because it's like super beautiful. Everything nicely wrapped. I know you could, I mean, the name is here, but I'm sure you can barely see it. Or maybe you can see it really good because I film with a 4K camera and I know the quality of the image is very crisp, but here it is. Super beautiful. Attrape, Reves, the bottle, so beautiful. And this one is the larger size. I don't know why you got the larger size. I mean, I'm so grateful for it. But this is going to be the fragrance of the day. So good, super beautiful, super feminine. The lychee, the peonies, it does have a little bit of patchouli. So if you kind of like the vibe of, say, Chanel Coco Mademoiselle, or even better, Chanel Coco Noir, you're gonna like these quite a bit. And to me, it's more of like a daily fragrance. So I'm just super happy now I have it in my collection. I also received this gorgeous cashmere Burberry scarf, something that I have been eyeing for a while. I really wanted to have either this one or the pink one. So I got the classic one, which will go with absolutely everything. It's extremely soft and so beautiful. By the way, I will be leaving details and whatnot on the description box below if you are curious about any of these products. Okay, friends, the next item, it is something from Hermes. Do you know what's in here? I think you can guess. It's something that I have been eyeing for a while now. So, yes. I'm sorry, the sun, I film in natural light. So this is what it is. Okay, this is a present that I actually gifted to myself. And I had been waiting to put it under the Christmas tree. I know. Isn't she gorgeous? It's that Finesse necklace. Is so stunning. It's gorgeous. I love how dainty it is. I love that it doesn't say really like a big age or anything of that. The diamonds, they bling so much. I love how delicate it is. Nothing like too big. Again, it doesn't have any like big logos. I mean, it's kind of like if you know, you know, but really I don't want anybody to really know. I just want to wear it and it just makes me so super happy. Since we're talking about Hermes, I got another piece. I think by the box you may know what it is, but let me show it to you. I'm excited. This is super pretty too. I have been eyeing this baby for a while. It is a tray in that Mosaic style, and I really wanted this little tray actually for my jewelry, kind of like a catch-all for my jewelry right next to my dresser. So I thought, you know what, let me just add it to my collection. This is something super beautiful, and I'm actually eyeing some other china from Hermes. Now this next gift is something that I have been wanting For the longest time, it is 23andMe, and it is the Health and Ancestry Collection Kit. I really want to go back in time and see where I'm coming from, you know, my ancestors, and I think this is gonna be a lot of fun. So actually my husband got one, I got one too, so we are gonna dig into it. Have you done this 23andMe? If you have done so, if you have, I mean, as you can tell, this is still sealed, but if you have done so, any tips that you may want to give me, I will really want to hear about it. This is perhaps one of my very, very favorite gifts for Christmas. It is a robe, the Barbie robe. You know, my friends, I have the Barbie lounge from Barefoot Dreams, and I really, really wanted it. The robe, and here it is. It's just so, so soft because it's made out of the ultra light, cozy material from Barefoot Dreams. So it is like silk. It doesn't get you overheated. I'm just like so, so happy to have got it. So this is one of my very, very favorites because I like to cozy up in the mornings. I get cold, so I like to get my coffee and kind of like warm up during this season. So this is just perfect, and this is just so extremely soft. I mean, anything Barefoot Dreams is amazing. I don't know how many times I have mentioned it here on my channel how much I wanted to get a pearl ring. So for Christmas, I treat myself to a Monica Vinader ring. I love Monica Vinader. They do have excellent jewelry that is eclectic. Also, they have classic pieces, and they are of the greatest quality. So I got me this beautiful ring. It's a pearl ring, super simple. I love the setting. It is so beyond beautiful. I love, again, the setting is just perfect. The pearl has such a gorgeous shine, super soft. Like I said, the setting super simple. Love it. And I think I will also be able to use it right here on the middle. Yeah, on my middle finger too. Look at that. So simple, so beautiful, so stunning. I'm just gonna keep it on. I love it so much. This Christmas was a little bit heavy of fragrances, but that's okay because you know, my friends, how much I love fragrances. So yay! I got another bottle of Baccarat Rouge 540, but the Extrait de Parfum. You know, my friends, how much I love Baccarat Rouge 540, but I have never had in my collection the Extrait de Parfum. And I actually got it in, it's not really a small size. It's not the smallest. It's kind of like the medium size. Let me tell you, this is a 2.4 fluid ounces. Usually a big size is 3.4 fluid ounces. So this is kind of like in the middle, which is okay with me because these last forever, and it's the red bottle. It smells so good. If anything, perhaps the Extrait de Parfum, to me, it doesn't smell as sweet, as cotton candy-ish as the original one, which is great. It's great. I mean, it's not super different, but I think it's, you know, it's just a little bit of a difference that makes it special too, that makes it super, super special. I already got the other perfume, but yes. Finally, Baccarat Rouge 540 Extrait de Parfum in my collection. I said it! This Christmas, it was fragrance heavy. And you know, when I mentioned this fragrance of my top 5 best fragrances of 2023 that I was gonna get the full size, here we go. This is Guidance by Amouage. I love the box. It has such a beautiful, gorgeous presentation. I mean, it's a niche parfum, so the presentation has to be up to par. And there you have it. There you have it. This is one of the fragrances that really stood out this 2023. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. You know how much I love saffron-based fragrances, and this is one of them. The saffron is just so perfect. It does have a little bit of pear, frankincense, sandalwood, hazelnut. It's soft, it's beautiful, it's feminine. You know what? And it's very funny because every time that I had to spray this fragrance from my little samples, my husband always have told me, you smell so good. What are you wearing? You smell so good. So it was like, okay, I need to stop buying samples and, you know, ask Santa to bring this to me. And now this is My friend Maria Draganova made me buy it or send a note to Santa Jacqueline instead. But I got another Chanel brush. This is a powder brush, 106. It is more of like a taper brush, super soft for being a synthetic bristle brush. It's the brushes from Chanel are super soft, they are effective, they are beautiful, and they do have an excellent quality. Talking about excellent quality though, on my Santa, I have been good this year. I had been eyeing them since last year or even before that, but they are the Chikuhodo FO Series. So I got 4 of their brushes. Oh my gosh, these are the softest, most perfect brushes that you could ever touch. I mean, this is just incredible. This is the FO9, perfect for powder, even for bronzer if you want to just warm up your complexion. If you want something more precise, even perfect for blush too. The FO1, do you see the difference right there? FO9, FO1. They are the softest brushes, believe me, that I have ever touched. And then this is slanted brush, the FO4. This is also perfect for blush, bronzer application, and then the FO3. Oh my gosh, these are just incredible. I need to explore more Chikuhodo, and mostly they are eyeshadow brushes, but these babies finally on my collection. They are just so luxurious, so perfect. The handles, the ferrule, absolutely everything. These, you can tell the craftsmanship on these babies are just impeccable. Okay, my friends, and this makes it for this video. These are the things that I got for Christmas and that I'm just so grateful for. I would love to hear from you. What are the things that you got for Christmas? Which one was perhaps like your favorite gift? Perhaps you got something that you have been wanting for a long time. Let's just share and continue that conversation in the comment section down below. While you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I want to invite you to do something that is free and completely simple. It is to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. It will be incredible if you can please come and follow me both on my Instagram and TikTok. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos right here that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.
I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my head, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights,